Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We have started Amazon Wholesale Fba series, and we will cover each and everything about this business model. How can we start it? What things are required, and how to handle day-to-day operation of Wholesale Fba. I have divided the whole series into 10 lectures. So here is our first lecture. In this lecture, we will talk about the business models available on Amazon and what is its importance and why we have chosen wholesale FBA and the total budget required with its whole breakdown. So let's start with the business models available on Amazon. The first one is FBA wholesale. In FBA wholesale, for example, we used to resell the product which is already being sold on Amazon. We just need to find the source of that product. We buy in a large quantity and ship that quantity to the Amazon warehouse, and from there Amazon will pick, pack and ship to the customers, and we will get the payment from Amazon. This is in very simple words. Then the next one is private label. In private label model, first of all, this model required a huge amount of budget in order to start. You can say if we need to sell, we need to find some product that cost that whose selling price is around $20. Then maybe you need around $30,000 in order to start the private label. What happened in this? We need to find some product, we need to label it, we need to put our name or our company name, and then we resell it on Amazon. Then comes the drop shipping. In drop shipping, we don't need to buy a huge amount of products. We just list the product, and whenever we get the order for that product, then only we buy from some source. That source will be some retailer like Walmart or Home Depot or any retail website. We can buy from there and ship to our customer. That is a typical drop shipping model. Then comes the online arbitrage. In this model, actually, this is the hybrid model, you can say, in between FBA wholesale and drop shipping. As in FBA wholesale, we need a proper authorization from the brand, and then we resell their product. But in online arbitrage, we don't need approval or any authorization from brand. We just find any product on Amazon and source it and ship some larger quantity to the Amazon warehouse, and from there we used to sell the products. So this is all about online or retail arbitrage. Then comes the Amazon Kindle. This is for the people who are very good in content writing or whose writing skills are good enough. So Amazon has a separate platform that on which we can publish our book. It can be a kids book or any story. That's it. Then comes last one is affiliate marketing, also known as Amazon Associates. In this model, we don't need any investment. This is especially for the people who don't have any money. They can just learn affiliate marketing and start earning from this model. What happened briefly, I will explain that we will be sharing the links of the products to our own website, to our social media profiles. If someone buy through that link, then Amazon will pay us some commission. It can be 5 to 15% depending upon the category. So these are the main 6 models available on Amazon. So I have selected for our lectures discussion wholesale FBA. So here are the key reasons that why I have selected wholesale FBA. So as of now, this is the safest model on Amazon. If we do it carefully, there is no account suspension or deactivation risk at all as compared to in online arbitrage and dropshipping. there are a lot of chances that our account will get suspended by Amazon anytime. So it's you can say a risk free business, and it's a proper full fledged business. It can be started with very low investment like $1,500. I have explained the whole breakdown of this 1,500 in our upcoming slides. And in this model, we used to work with the already popular brands, or the product which are already already being sold on Amazon. So we don't need to run really some expensive campaigns to reach our customers. So there are ready-made customers available looking for these products on Amazon already. Then another beauty of this model is that Amazon will be handling whole pick, pack, and ship and customer service. We will be just restocking our items, our products on time. Then the rest of things will be done by the Amazon. Then in Amazon algorithm, FBA sellers are always preferred. So we will be getting more sales as compared to FBM. Then on the last is, by learning this course, by learning the wholesale FBA, we can start our own business, or we can work as a service providers for other people as well. So you can see there are many benefits of this models. So that's why I have selected wholesale FBA. So here are the list of things which we need to arrange in order to start wholesale FBA. So for our discussion purpose, I have taken USA market. So we need USA address and phone number and calling package in order to call the supplier or getting calls from them. There are certain amount of dollars required for each thing, which is coming up in the next slide. Then the company or business name, that is also known as LLC or limited liability company. We will need to find form a company in any state of the US. Then after forming the LLC, we can get the EIN number, and then we have to arrange tax exemption certificate. These whole things, you can hire one accountant and he will be arranging everything for you. Then we need to arrange a e-commerce type website on which we will put some dummy products. Of course, if we are talking about the website, then there will be domain and hosting as well, and business emails also we can get from the cpanel of our hosting. Then we need a USA bank account that we will open on our company details. Of course, now we are starting selling on Amazon, so we need Amazon Seller Center account. And the last but not the least is useful tools. We will be using Keepa, Paid, and few other free extensions. So here is the breakdown of these things. You can see USA address. I have taken these all average prices that are doable. We can arrange in these prices these things. You can see USA phone number and Kali package. These both things we can arrange from Skype in $10. We can farm the company and along with the resale certificate in $550, and then the e-commerce website with domain and hosting, you can arrange it easily in $200. Then monthly Amazon seller account fee will be around $40, and Keepa charges will be 19 euros. That is also, I think, 19, it is equivalent to the $19. We can use the tool in sharing basis also with 2 3 people, then it will reduce your cost as well. So if I sum up all these things, it will be $869. I will say this is our business setup cost. This in $869 we can arrange everything that is required to start wholesale FBA business. Then comes that, okay, we have arranged everything. Now we have to find some product and send to the Amazon warehouse. So I can say that we can send some smaller number of units that we can arrange from any supplier in like 500 to $600. For the simplicity, I have taken here $631. So if I sum up this, it will be $1,500. So you can see, in $1,500 you can do a legal and legitimate business in USA on Amazon Wholesale FBA. So in this lecture we have learned what are the business models available on Amazon. So you can choose now which one is more suitable for you. Then if you have some huge investment, which one, and if you want to do some risk free and more profitable and long term business, that will be your wholesale FBA. I have explained in very detail that why we have selected wholesale FBA. Then later on we have learned about that how much budget will be required to arrange everything and sending even our first inventory to Amazon warehouse. So hopefully everything will be clear to you. But if you have still any question, please mention in the comment section. I will answer there. Thank you very much.